Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to open and move funds across currencies in HSBC Expat. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to open an HSBC Expat account, all you got to do is simply apply online. So if you want to do that, you need to go and tap open your HSBC to apply online by meeting eligibility requirements like age, having a valid reason, and having a reason for moving overseas and stuff like this. So to move funds across currencies with a global money account, you need to log in into your application or website and go to the pay and transfer section. Once you have done this, you need to select the global money account in option and convert or send your money. Now choose the currency by entering the amount and confirming the transaction. You can also move money between your linked international HSBC accounts using Global View and Global Transfers through online banking. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.